There you go.
Hi, I'm Dr. Lynn. I'm the owner of Chiropractic, and I wanted to show an ear adjustment, suggest a supplement, and it's been a crazy allergy season. So people have really noticed getting adjustments through the ears help the sinuses drain. So I'm going to give you a demonstration on that on Bree here. It's just as simple as tugging the ear, pulling it up. Get your little pop that helps the sinuses drain, helps with allergies, draining the allergens in the ear. This season's been pretty bad for allergies. We also recommend Histoplex. Taking one with a meal every day has been really helpful. Hope to see you soon.